Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Schemesh, a fascinating project that blends a Unix shell with a Lisp REPL. It's incredibly cool.
I'm really intrigued. So it's not just one or the other, it's both a shell and a Lisp environment working together?
Exactly. Think of it as the best of both worlds. You get the familiar Unix shell commands, pipelines, and job control, but with the power and expressiveness of Schemesh for more complex tasks. It's a game changer for scripting.
That's amazing. How does the switching between the two work? Does it involve complex commands, or is it intuitive?
It's surprisingly seamless. Parentheses. Switch you to Lisp, braces to shell syntax. You can even nest them there. There are also directives like #scheme to explicitly set the mode. It's all very elegant.
So you could write a Lisp function that then executes a shell command, all within the same script? That sounds incredibly powerful, and a lot more efficient than traditional shell scripting.
Then The example they give, using shrun command, to run a shell command within a Lisp if statement, is a perfect illustration. It avoids the clunky if-then-else constructs of traditional shells. It's much cleaner and less error-prone.
I see. And what about job control? Does it handle background processes and things like that?
Oh yeah, it's got full job control. You can use the standard Ctrl+C, Ctrl+Z, BG, and FG commands, but also equivalent functions in the Lisp side, like sh_start and sh_fg. It lets you capture the output of a command as a Lisp string using sh_run string.
Wow, that's really comprehensive. It seems like they've thought of everything. But I'm curious, what are some of the limitations, if any?
Well, the documentation mentions a few things still on their to-do list, like improving autocompletion for shell paths and scheme strings, and maybe adding the kill built-in. But overall, it's remarkably feature-rich for a project of its kind.
Right. And the build process, is it straightforward?
Pretty straightforward, actually. They provide instructions for Debian and Fedora, and it seems adaptable to other systems. You just need to install a few dependencies, clone the repo, and run make. It's all pretty standard stuff, though if make fails, you might need to specify the Schemesh installation directory manually.
That's good to know. So, in summary, Schemesh offers a unique and powerful combination of shell and Lisp, providing a more efficient and expressive scripting environment. It's definitely worth checking out for anyone looking for a more advanced shell experience.
Absolutely. It's a truly innovative project that seamlessly blends two powerful paradigms. I think it has the potential to become a serious contender to traditional shells. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Schemesh. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye-bye.